I made over $7 million day trading since 2020, and my students are quitting their jobs left and right to live a life of abundance and freedom. They no longer have to worry about losing their jobs because of the economy. Instead, all they need to focus on is following my super simple day trading system for just 1 hour a day that so many others have used to supplement or completely replace their income. Like Alpine X, who made $110 on his very first day trading. Or Ready Player One, who has made an average of $1,000 a day for 30 days straight. Or Sang, who grew a small $1,200 account into $4,200 in just 1 day. Many of them started trading for just 1 hour while still working at their day job until it made no sense for them to keep working for someone else. Like Daniel, who's made money for nearly 30 green days in a row, as you can see from his calendar, while still keeping the financial security of his day job as he built his trading account. Or Faye, who's one of our female members who's made $4,200 in a single hour trading before quitting her day job to trade full time. Or Peter M., who in just 3 days of trading was able to start making more trading than he does at his day job. These people are all now recession-proof, and all got started by watching the free training video on the next page that you can access by clicking the button below. The page looks like this. On this training, I'll show you the 3 keys that any average Joe could learn to make money in the stock market so you can start making money as soon as tomorrow. And those keys are how to find the right stocks to trade, how to use the right strategy to trade them, and how to repeat this strategy. Now, I know you may be asking, how did I learn how to trade? Well, I got started trading when I was a barista at Starbucks, and I've been trading at the professional level for over 8 years now. I've traded at reputable proprietary trading firms like S&P Capital, and I know the exact secrets that the best in the industry use to make money in the markets every single day. The system I'll be sharing with you in this training has never been seen before. It's super easy to understand and built upon those secrets, so it's no surprise that so many people are finding success trading so quickly, like all the people you see flashing on your screen right now. You don't need some fancy university degree, you don't need to be a math whiz, and you don't need any prior experience at all. Like Gavin, who was a train conductor and started trading to supplement his income and his retirement, and has now made $320,000 in the last 8 days alone. Or Frano, who made a life-changing $47,000 in just 1 day. So click the link below to be taken to the free training where I'll show you my entire trading system step by step and the 3 keys to this trading so you can start as soon as tomorrow to become recession-proof in the stock market. I'll see you at the training in just a second.